Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to retake bereal. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. Well, you can retake your bereal as many times as you like during the 2-minute countdown. Once you have pressed pause, you can only delete and retake it once. So to retake your bereal, you have to tap on this cross icon to the upper right hand corner, and now you will be able to retake your bereal. And the same way we can cross again and you can retake your bereal. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.